Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gear and Guitars with Mel. As usual, I am Mel, and what we are here for today is what's on the bench. So what we got right here is a very nice Fender Strat. Very nice now. This belongs to a buddy of mine, old bandmate. And oddly enough, I have been trying to make a video on this guitar on the bench for well over a month. But we just keep changing what we're doing to the guitar. So what we ended up doing was putting a whole new neck on it. Got that nice big fat 70s reverse with the block inlays bound. Get that look. So we had to go through and find some pickups that were going to work, find some electronics, and then right at the end I decided that I just wanted to make sure everything was right. So we went in and super fun guitar though. So I went ahead and put some GFS electronics in here. So went ahead and put some pickups in it. All new wiring, nice new proper Fender switch. Had a PCB switch in there before. Now we got a nice mechanical switch. We got the neck. This neck is actually was gonna be mine. If you go back to when I upgraded my Strat, look at that flame. Oh, look at that flame. When I first went to upgrade my Strat, I bought this neck for me. But my buddy saw it and said, "Hey, what I got to give you for that neck?" So we worked it out. I ended up installing it for him. It's got a bone nut, rosewood fingerboard. Obviously, a nice flame maple neck. The flame is much better on the cut of the headstock than it is on the back of the neck itself. There is a little bit, but more quarter sawn grain there. I mean, all in all, you just got yourself a pretty badass Fender Strat here. But I did add, you know, since we were going HSS, that's his setup. That's what he likes. So this is just a Bugera, so we can get a little more on the clean. Still push that Bugera pretty good. This humbucker's got some kick to it. So also wanted to go ahead and give him a coil tap down there. gets them nice and quacky because it actually splits from the north to the south when you tap that. So when you tap that. So that's what it sounds like through a 6L6 12AX7 power amp. Okay, now let's hear what it sounds like out of a Big Bad Marshall. Go ahead and split that. Cleans up pretty good, not too bad. So, there we go, folks. That's what's on the bench. A beautiful, beautiful Stratocaster. I believe this bad mammal jammal might have been made in the USA, but I know it was rebuilt in the USA. I can tell you that one. Hey, now. So we're going to be having some new stuff coming up. I got a guitar of my own. I was playing games with my my Mavis, my Japanese Les Paul, and originally I was going to go ahead and throw some actives in it and get my Hetfield on. I can't do it. I had to get some passives. So I'm going to be setting that thing up with a whole new wiring setup and some nice tonal stuff going on. And, you know, we got other stuff we got videos to do on. Waiting on my latest shipment from Stonegate Effects. I got a couple early fun things coming in. It's just in time for me to tear down the board because, yeah, this pedal board's out of control. I'm not using it right now. Everything you heard today was just the 2 amps, and that's it. Just my Bulgara V55 and my Marshall Origin 50, which altogether is just 105 watts of goodness. Alright guys, so again, thanks for hanging out. This has been Gearing Guitars with Mel. As always, I'm Mel, and this is what was on the bench. You guys have a go.